Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to see how to measure different parameters of this object. To measure the different parameters, you have to go in the analysis tab. Here you will find the measure command. Just click on that. Let's say if you have to find out the distance between this surface and this surface, just click on select those surfaces and you will find the minimum distance in between these surfaces. If you want to reset the selection, you can directly use this reset option here. Let's say if you want to find out the curvature, the radius of this particular surface, you can select that surface and here you can find the radius of it. If you want to change it to the diameter, you can do that also. If you want to find out the angle between two surfaces, let's say if we want to find out the angle between these two surfaces, just select those two surfaces and you will get the angle, minimum angle in between these two surfaces. You can also get an idea of the dimensions. You can just hover onto it and you will find the radius, the area, and the parameter of that surface. If you want to know what is the length of this particular arc or this edge, just hover your mouse on that arc and you will get the length of it. Let's say if you want to know the mass of this object, for that you will have to select the whole body. For that, you can go in the selection filter and here you have to select the solid body. Then now select the body. This is how you can find out the mass properties. This is the mass and this is the weight. That is it for this video. Thank you.